Received a little package today from Waldo Customs. It's a new business, just a one-man band started up, and he sent me over a little care package. Okay, man, thanks so much for accepting my products. This really helps a small business like myself enjoy. Stay minty, Waldo Customs. Let's see what we've got in here then. A couple of stickers. Got barrel extension. It's a metal barrel extension. So this is a 60mm barrel extension. Couple of Waldo Customs patches. Have another barrel extension, this time a 50mm. Again, metal, aluminium, I think. Lube. Everyone needs a lube. So lube is ideal for the vast majority of all airsoft parts. Not for human use. Please don't have sex with this. So this is medium. Now I guess this is the viscosity of the lube. This lube is ideal but not limited to pistol slides, contact surfaces, gas blowback nozzles, AEG compression O-rings, gas blowback rifle bolts. So this is slim. And we have thick. So this lube is ideal for but not limited to gas blowback magazine O-rings, AEG gears, AEG pistons, AEG springs, AEG blowback recoil springs. We have here a super long barrel extension. So these are going to be handy for some people. I've often seen on Facebook groups people asking for barrel extensions. Again, metal. I guess that's 14mm counterclockwise thread. Guessing. And I would say that end as well. So male, female, counterclockwise, 14mm. Looks like anyway. Always handy. Oh, I've got some short ones. Got a short 25mm one there. And a 40mm. There are two. So what's this? Fill valve O-rings. Oh, right, okay. So go on your fill valves on your gas blowback magazines. Buff short stroke kit for Hicapa. Interesting. Very interesting. Oh, I don't know if I should do this on the grass. Ah, short stroke kit. Awesome. Now let's put that back before I lose it all in the grass. We have another cool patch. Some more stickers. Can't have enough stickers. I stick these on my rifle box. Another patch. And some cool shiny stickers. So many thanks to Waldo Customs, a new creator in the UK. I'm always up for supporting small start-up UK airsoft businesses. And this looks like some really quality parts there. So if you're in the market for lube for your airsoft guns, this is the man to go to. Waldo Customs. also, if you're looking for metal barrel extensions, again, there is a massive selection of all different size extensions there. This is awesome. Short stroke kits, this is brilliant too, and I'm guessing that he does short stroke kits for other pistols maybe, I don't know. Yeah, go and check him out, Waldo Customs.